Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Tuesday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. You might hear a little bit of background noise, but that is because we were here first day at MIPIM, and as you can see behind me is our stand, our Europa Property stand, and all the magazines and Coffee with Craig cups and everything we're giving out already. Great event last night. The MIPIM people organized a fantastic party, and so we did that, and a lot of good contacts, a lot of good networking, some pretty good music. And then and then this morning, of course, we started, a couple of us, a little small group with a little bit of a run and a swim here in the Mediterranean. Very nice weather. Then right back to the stand this morning and handing out the magazines and meeting all of our clients. Very nice to see them. There's quite a few thousand people here at the fair. It's a little, as you can imagine, it's a little bit smaller than the previous years, but still very good. A lot of cities from Poland. We've got Javor, we've got Krakow, we've got Poznań, and they're all busy. They all look like they're going. Łódź is right next to us. We've got the Łódź stand. Maybe the cameraman will put Łódź in there at some point at the end, and we'll get a little flash of Łódź. Very busy. I can see all the lawyers over there working on some deals. We've got quite a few more things coming up. Of course, the I guess world famous Panettone party, which is on Sunday night, but there's a few things going on today as well. Oh, sorry, Wednesday night. That's a few things going on. Sunday night. Wednesday night. Probably there's some other party Sunday night. But Wednesday night, which is coming up very soon, tomorrow. We've got all of our events coming up next week. Our start of our events in Warsaw at the breakfast on the 16th, and then we have at the InterContinental Warsaw, and then we have the back to business cocktails that everyone is always coming to at the Regina Hotel. A little bit inside, outside, nice. Of course, they always have great food. And then we've got our investment awards, which I can see here there's a lot of people interested in, which is October 20th and 21st, covering the whole Central Eastern Europe from Warsaw. So sign up for that. We're filling up quick. It's really going well. A lot of new sponsors, a lot of new jury members, which we will talk about in the upcoming days, especially right after MIPIM. But now we just want to go to the news, and so we'll take a 20-second break, and you'll see a little bit about the investment awards, and then we'll go straight to Winston Norman, our editor of EuropaProperty.com and of all of our magazines, and also dealing with all the voting on the awards. So anyway, we'll be right back with Winston, and enjoy the rest of the day, and we will report further on MIPIM 2021. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now preparing for the CEE region's flagship event for investors and developers, the Europa Property Investment Awards, which will be live and online October 20th and 21st. With a total of over 400 international and regional attendees, this event is not to be missed.
Good Tuesday morning. We'll start off today with just an extra bit of publicity for our latest magazine, the Ultimate Real Estate Guide, which you can download from the QR code, and also you can find in MIPIM cans on our stand. And here are the news for today. So we'll start with the industrial investment market, and Fortress has acquired ELI Park 1 near Bucharest. Fortress is one of the largest real estate investment trusts from South Africa, and has reached an agreement with Element Industrial and Pavel Holding to acquire ELI Park 1. It's located just outside of Bucharest, about 15 minutes from the centre. And according to Stephen Brown, he's the CEO of Fortress REIT, he says Romania is one of the most exciting long-term logistics and warehouse and investment propositions globally due to its high industrial and consumer growth potential. He continues, we are selective and intend to grow a high-quality warehouse portfolio across Central and Eastern Europe in the coming years, and earlier this year we purchased our first logistics assets in Poland. ELI Park 1 is a 50,000 square metre GLA A-class logistics and industrial park. Element Industrial, the developer, aims to be a flexible partner for logistics-based tenants in Romania for the foreseeable future, and the company's focus and ambitious target are to develop 500,000 square metres of space by 2026. Moving to Poland and in the Warsaw office market, Skanska has recently started construction on Studio. Studio is their newest office complex, and it's going to be developed in the central business district of Warsaw. It's a complex of 2 office buildings offering a total of 43,000 square metres of GLA. The first phase covers 17,600 square metres of GLA, including 14 above ground floors and 3 underground levels. The construction is scheduled to be completed by the third quarter of 2023. According to Skanska, Studio will offer the highest quality office space, but above all, it will be a safe workplace which will be confirmed by the WELL Safety Rating certification. This is especially important in the context of the ongoing pandemic and the return of employees to offices. Also, additional certificates will be applied for, which is LEED Platinum and WELL's Building Without Barriers. Staying in Warsaw, and another recent office development is the mixed-use Norblin factory has received its occupancy permit. After a long revitalisation and renovation schedule, the project in Warsaw's Wola district, carried out by the Capital Park Group, has come to an end. The investment site preparations are currently underway to open the first concepts, which will be gradually unveiled to the future visitors over the next few months. According to Capital Park Group, they're very happy about the completed construction works after 4 years of revitalisation, as well as work introducing modern buildings into a historical architecture contents. The Norblin factory is a multi-functional complex with an area of 65,000 square metres, out of which 41,000 square metres is office, and 24,000 square metres is entertainment, restaurants, cultural service and commercial concepts. Capital Park Group is the investor of the complex. And finally for today, moving to people on the move, and Craig Maguire has been appointed Head of Pan-European Logistics for BNP Paribas Real Estate. He will be reporting to Larry Young, who's the Head of BNP Paribas Real Estate's International Investment Group. Craig will be based in London. He will head up the European coordination of the logistics business, investment and rental and sales, alongside the local teams of BNP Paribas Real Estate. And that's all the news for today. For the latest updates, please log in to EuropaProperty.com. And don't forget to download our latest real estate guide with the last mile section inside. Thanks very much.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.